Run Dam. I drive past this a lot. I used to fish it a lot. Not so much a fisherman anymore. I still fish. Wow, this road is bad. See if I can't get a willy out of this old pig, this old bitch, this old slut, this old skank, this old house. That's pretty good. Like cheater willies because I can only do them uphill, so I don't run out of gear. You know, when you're going uphill, you like have that back momentum on you that keeps you from running out of speed on your back wheel, especially on an underpowered bike anyway. I'll willy up this.